we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Man, Friday was awesome. Hopefully everybody that's here has made money with it. I know I did, and there was definitely no sell trades here. If you thought you were selling the dip or trying to sell the turnaround, you were in trouble. So there was never a top here yet. So this market's still going. But there is one question I get asked all the time, and it's whether you're a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader. And that's kind of hard to answer, I always tell them, because I'm what works. If it makes money, I am doing it. So this trade is a great idea for that, because this started out just to be a small scalp, because we don't know where it's going. We think it's going to go to the next structure. We have no idea it's going to the moon. Sometimes we like to hope it is, but nobody really knows. That's the whole key. The market can crush you out of nowhere. And that is another problem with gold. So when you trade gold, you got to remember that gold can crush you. So you're always on your toes. You're always ready for the turnaround. Is this the turnaround? Is that the turnaround? Is it ever going to turn around? Again, nobody knows. So you're always on your toes. But what's neat about this is we come into this with a little scalp. I get in right down here, and as it moves up into profit, it takes off. We go to break even. There's our first profit targets hit. Matter of fact, this is the area to go to break even. So once we hit that area, we went to break even. We were safe. We never moved our stop after that. But you could move your stop, and the way I normally move my stop is once we break above the next structure and we start going, move our stop here. Or you can follow the 50. That works out good too. It's all fine. Or it's a mentally, and I do a mental stop. So I leave my stop there, and I just go ahead and start mentally moving up. If this market breaks back down, if it goes above here, breaks down below, I close it, start over again. That's how I trade. Works out good. But what's awesome about this is this started out as a scalp, and then we went all day. It ended up being a day trade. And then at the end, I put on one more trade just because this prop firm had almost passed that I'm doing, and it was only, I think we were up, I think we had 3,800 and something. I thought, you know what? I'm going to put one last trade towards the end of the day and let that run over the weekend. When I open up the account in the morning, it's Sunday, probably afternoon, when the market opens up, I'll probably have already passed the prop firm. That was my goal. So what happens is I went from scalping to day trading to swing trading. So what style of trader are you? I'm what works. I can tell you that right now. I like to make money. So as the market gives me the trade, I may be just a day trader. As the market gives me the trade, I may be just a day trader into swing trading. So I mean, it's always possible. Sometimes I'm just a scalper. I'm just getting in and I'm getting out. So it happens. You can't always win. But I know when the market's real choppy, I'm selling back and forth like a yo-yo. So then I'm scalping. I'm buying, selling, buying, selling. So it's back and forth. That's the way it works. Once we break out and we start moving, now we're going scalping into day trading. And that's, you got to be able to adjust to that. So you got to learn how to scalp. You got to learn how to day trade, and you got to know how to swing trade. You need to know all three. Man, there's some people that could hold a trade forever, like a position trader. So I'm not one of those, but I know I'm definitely a scalper, a day trader, and a swing trader, but I'm definitely not a position trader. Maybe one day, but not right now. So we'll see what happens. But we had a great day trading. Now remember, all these signals, we're giving these out. We have a signal service now called the Golden Glitch. It is an awesome signal service. I just wanted to touch on it one more time because the doors are closing. They will be closed Sunday. I don't think we have much time left. But once they close, they're not going to reopen. If they do, it's going to be a very high price because we're already getting pretty maxed out right now. So we only can have a few more openings. After that, I'm just one person. I don't need any more than that. So it probably won't open up back up again. This isn't something that's going to be recurring. So if you're waiting for it to keep coming back, maybe for a different time, it's not going to be there anymore. So these people are lifetime, and once they're in, they're in. They're going to be the founders and the founder group in the very beginning. After that, they're in for life. Anybody else, it might be monthly, it might be yearly subscription, but it definitely won't be this price anymore. So this price is way too cheap. All of us here know it's too cheap, but we did it to help out the traders because that's what type of people we are. Casey taught me a long time ago, we're always trying to help traders. We never leave anybody behind, and we tried to make it affordable. This is what I would have wanted when I was learning to trade. This is what I needed. Somebody to give me help. Somebody to tell me, hey, this is a great scalping trade. You might want to jump on it for these reasons. and I'll do a video and talk about these reasons. And then I say, okay, once we hit this point, let's go ahead and move to break even. And I give you the reasons why. And once we get to this point, let's take some profit, and then let's, as it breaks up, let's add another position. And keep adding positions. Every time we pull back, we add a position once we start to go again. So we do a flag pattern, we add a position. Do another flag pattern, add a position. So it's awesome. So we do videos along the way to let you know that we're still going. We're still going. We're still moving forward. There's no reason to even think about selling this, because if there's a time to get out, I'm doing a quick video or a picture, and I am putting in great big letters, get out, close the trade, take your profit now. So you won't find a better thing where a professional trader is helping you trade, helping you make money, helping you learn about moving averages, about structures, about the way the market moves, how the market oscillates. All that is awesome, and this is all stuff you need to learn. So to be a good trader, and also it's patience. I mean, that's the hardest thing, is patience. I mean, you could have the greatest system in the world, but if you don't got the patience to wait for the trade to come to you, you're going to lose more than you win. And that's just all it's about. So together, me and everybody that's gotten into the golden glitch, we're going to make money, and that's what we're talking about. So we don't win every trade. It's not possible. But when we do lose, we cut our losses short. We wait for the next setup. There's never a fear, because if we just win 6 out of 10, we're still going to be way ahead. And that's what it's all about. You're never ever going to have always winning trades. Now, there are some weeks I can go without a losing trade. That's quite possible. But sometimes it happens. So we do have rules we go by, and we have things that keep us out of trouble. And if I find that we need something else, a new rule, then I come up with a new rule and I share it with everybody. This is where I went wrong. This is what I found to fix this problem, and this is what we're doing. So we all learn together. So we're here to make money and learn how to trade. Now again, are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Something to think about. Alright, just remember, these doors are closing. This will be the last time. I think you only got another day to get in. So if you want this, it'll never be up to this price again. Alright everybody, have a great weekend. I look forward to the market opening, because I want to make everybody lots of money. Okay, bye-bye. Take it easy, everybody. Bye-bye.